Welcome back. In this video, we'll go over how to change the user's profile picture. First, you'll need to enable the GD extension. To do this, open the php.ini file. Look for the GD extension and remove the semicolon. Save the file. Then, stop and restart both Apache and MySQL. Next, search for Laravel Kropify GitHub on Google. Click the first link. This is the package we'll be using to crop profile pictures. To install the package, use the Composer command. If your Laravel version is 8 or higher, you can skip the next step. Now, run this command to publish the package's assets. As you can see, Kropify's CSS and JS files have been copied to the public folder of the project. Next, add these meta tags to the page's layout.blade.php file inside the head tag. Then, include the Kropify styles directive in the same file within the head tag. Also, add the Kropify scripts directive before the closing i/body tag in the same file. Great! The CSS and JS files of the Kropify package have been correctly included. Now, we need to open the file browser dialog when the user clicks on the pencil icon. As you can see, when the pencil icon is clicked, the file browser dialog opens. After the image file is selected, the Kropify modal should open. Perfect. After selecting an image, we can now crop it. Next, add a post route to update the user's profile picture. After that, run the PHP Artisan Optimize command. Add the route name to the process URL option. Now, create the Update Profile Picture method inside the admin controller class. Don't forget to import the required classes into this file. Once the new profile picture is uploaded successfully, delete the old one. The updated profile picture will be saved in the database. Then, return a success message. Otherwise, return an error message. Let's test it. Initially, there's no value in the picture column for this user. When you're happy with the selected crop area, click the Crop and Update button. As you can see, we received a success message. When we check the database, a new value has been added to the picture column for this user. Additionally, the image was uploaded to the public images folder. Remember, we set a maximum width and height earlier when we wrote the code for uploading the cropped image. The next step is to display the updated profile picture without refreshing the page. To do this, add the following lines to trigger 2 custom events. We've already added the Update to User Info event to the listeners array in the top User Info Livewire component class. Now, we need to listen for the update profile event in this component class. Let's test it. Great! After updating the image, the new profile picture is displayed without refreshing the page. The old image has been deleted and replaced with the new one. See you in the next video.